You know he's gonna know you're fishing that, man. Just cast it full over it. You'll be fine. Use mine. No. Come on here. Yep. Okay, good. Already? To my right here? Yeah. Okay. It's pretty close. They just stalked it too. Yeah. All right. So here we are finally on the water. How you doing, buddy, back there? Doing good? Better warm up, okay? Okay, we just got on the water. Let's set up the rod really quick. We want to get one rod down ASAP. And okay, here we go. We want to get one rod down as soon as possible because I think it's going to be a good day today. What kind of fish already? Oh, no way. I'm just setting up. Here you go, buddy. This one's yours. Go. Wow. That is so quick. Holy smokes. Got a fish, guys. We got a fish. Hold on. Easy. Okay. Wow, that's quick. Okay, there we go. Keep it tight. Yep, that's a keeper. Oh, really? That's a keeper. We're going to keep this one because he is small. And like I told you, buddy, I like the smaller fish. Yeah. They just taste better. That was quick. I just put it down like 2 minutes. I kid you not, guys. First fish of the day. Well, let's do an intro right now. Hey, folks, welcome back. I got Kevin with me right here. The sun is coming up. And we are trolling at Olalla Lake in the kayak. And go ahead and set it back slowly. Okay. And we just got our first fish. We are hoping for a good day, and it looks like it will. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Good job, buddy. Good job. So I didn't bring anything to put them in. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Oh, well, we'll put it right down here on the deck. That's all right. Let's get situated here, man. I'm like so unorganized right now. Okay. You gotta help me. Like I said, you gotta be my eye. Just say, Dad, we're going the wrong way. Okay, where is that? Wait. Here we go. Boy, that was quick. So I'm going to put this weight on. You want to hold it or not? Sure. Okay, so that's one rod out. Okay, let me do a proper intro. So, towels is right here, okay? I forgot how far into the intro I was. But anyways, man, we got one rod out now. That was fast. So let's set up another rod. What? Wait, easy. Sure?
He was tugging it.
Oh yeah, you do got one. Bring it. Slowly, easy. Keep going. There's no rush to bring this in, okay? Because they're pretty small and we don't want to bring them in too fast. It'll rip the mouth. So when the weight is close to you, just swing it my way, and I'll take it off for you. Does he feel okay? Does he feel big?
Small.
Okay. Bring it this way. Okay, stop reeling. Okay, reel. Cool. We're using a 2-ounce weight.
Small.
Okay. I have a feeling we can just live it out with one rod. Yeah, he's a keeper. He's not. Oh, he's well hooked. He's well hooked. Ooh, nice fish. Good size. Good eating size. Good eating size, guys. Hey, you're doing good, buddy. This lure, man, is so hot. Okay, oh, come on. Huh? No, it's fine. Go back about 20. You have to reset it.
I did.
Go back about 20 feet. Hold on, wait, not yet. Let me start the motor. Okay, guys, there is another fish. Good job, Kevin.
Yeah.
Got 2 fish so far. Man, I haven't got in the water yet. You got 2 fish. Go back 20 feet. And then once you're back 20 feet, let me know. So let me get a bag. Well, we got a plastic bag to put in our fish. 20? Okay, hold on. Swing it my way and put the weight on. I would like to get my rod out, guys. But they're biting like crazy. Perfect. Okay, just hold it. Ooh, there's a hit. Hold this. Do I got a fish on? No, that was just a hit. Okay, let's see. Actually, go ahead and let it back out. Okay, try to keep your eye out on both rods. So we had a bite on this one. Let me do something here. I thought I had a hit. Ooh, there it is. I knew it. Once I slowed down, he took it. Once I slowed down, he took it. If you slow down, the lure drops down and they nab it usually. Ooh, it's a good size. Feels good. Feels good. There we go. Number 3. Yep. Oh, he feels good, guys. Feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh, yeah. Nice. There we go. We got to use a net early today, man. Nice fish. Nice fish, guys. There we go. That's a nice stalker. We should have our limit in no time. There we go, guys. Fish number 3. We're getting a lot of bites, and we got 3 in the boat already. We've probably been on the water for about maybe 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So doing really good. So what I'm doing is I'm setting back about 20 foot, 25 foot. Then I add my 2-ounce weight, and then I go back another 20 foot. So that is the strategy for today. I reset the counter, and then I put back 20 foot more. Okay, there we go. Let me know when you get a bite, because like I said, I'll slow down and try to entice them. Well, today, guys, we were gonna bring the other kayak, the native watercraft, but we couldn't fit it onto the truck. Well, we fit it, but it would hit the bow of this Old Town, so because it was the truck bed is too low, and I don't know if I had a full-size truck is gonna help or not, but which is too bad, because I wanted Kevin to ride that kayak, and he really wanted to. Sorry about that, buddy. We'll do it next time. We gotta figure out a way. Basically, the Old Town is like this, and then the native watercraft was hitting the bow. So we got to find a way to raise that kayak on the truck bed, so it's higher. Does it feel good? Okay. Nice. He's got another one. Kevin's got another one, guys. Nice. Nice. Easy, easy. Swing my way. Swing my way. There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice job. Nice fish. You're doing good, buddy. Yep. Yes, sir. Ooh, I got a fish on too. I think. Yeah, I know. Easy, easy. Easy. Double up. Double up. Let's keep this here. Let's keep this here. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. I have a fish on. Oh, it came off. That's okay. So we go this way. Hold on, don't let it out yet. When we let it out, the boat has to be going, okay? Because that way it doesn't tangle. Okay, now you can let it out. Put out 20. There's a lot of boat today, guys. It's gonna be a busy, busy day. They just stocked it. There we go, guys. Kevin's fish number 3, 2 or 3. I don't know. Maybe your third one. Yeah, sweet. What a calm morning. I love it. There's people launching. A lot of, so far, this is the most boat I've seen out here. Let's go fish. We got 4 in the boat. Not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Well, I hope that lure is working. Oh, there's another fish, guys. There's another fish. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Feels good. Feels good. Yep. This guy's coming in. You got one? Oh, double. Double up. Double up. Our second double of the day. Here we go. Nice. Nice. I got one here. Oh. Wait. Hold on. One at a time.
Okay.
Ooh. Bad netting. Bad netting. Okay, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me get this out. Okay, let me whack this one, okay? Nice. There's one for me. And Kevin's got one. Ooh, nice. That's a nice one, buddy. Yes. Good job, buddy. Ooh, there's my plier. Lucky. Oh, you got a good one. You got a good one. Good, the hook came out too. All right, there you go. Yeah. This is a nice trout. This is a nice trout. There we go, guys. Kevin's fish number 4. Awesome. Doing really good. You're at 20? Okay, hold on. Okay, time to put mine back down. Well, the bite today is pretty fast. There we go. I'm putting 20, about 25 back, and then the weight, and then another 20 back. Huh? Tug, okay. I'm gonna stop. Maybe he'll take it. Come on, fish. Tug. Nope, he doesn't want it. It's okay. There's plenty more. What a beautiful day, huh, buddy?
Oh, nice.
Man, this is so nice. You gotta love Oregon. Okay. What a gorgeous day, guys. What a beautiful morning. There's boats out here. A lot of people fishing on the bank. Just a super, super nice day. No wind right now. It's just perfect. Calm and serene. And the fish are biting. That's the most important thing. Ooh, there's a fish, guys. There's a fish. There's another one. Brad's cut plug. Yeah, this is, I think this is my number 3.
Yeah, number 3.
See what you are. Oh, yeah. Oh, it came off. Oh, man. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Okay, there we go. I can't believe, like, right as we launched you had a fish on. That was so cool.
Yeah.
There are bass here.
Really?
Yep. There are bass.
Got one.
Got one? Nice. Nice. Kevin's got another one. What's his number 5 for you or something?
Limit.
Nice. All right, Kevin's got his limit. If we can land this one. Go ahead. Swing my way.
Oh, wait, no.
Swing my way. Swing my way. Oh, it's a little guy. When you swing it, don't lift him off the ground or off the water, okay? Okay, he's a really good one. Small one. He's a small one. So, let's see. Yep, I'm gonna keep him. Keep him. That's it. So once you got your limit, buddy, you cannot fish anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just the way it is. Oh, I got another one. I got one, buddy. I got one here. Sweet. Yeah. I think if I can land this one, shoot, we might as well go cooked. Seriously, because we got a lot of fish in the boat. Still on there? Oh, it's still on there. Nice. And I got one in the net. This one feels good. Oh, yeah. Okay, buddy. Oh, that's a good one.
Whoa.
That's a good one. That's a beautiful trout. Oh, that's a nice trout, buddy. That's a nice trout. Oh. Yeah, I got him. I got 2. That's a big one, buddy. Yeah. Oh, the hook came out too. Well, actually the hook, no, did it? No, it didn't come out. Yeah, it came out. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Look at this little, oh, this guy's small. Let's get another one. We'll let him go. Yeah, that's a good one. So the last fish Kevin caught was small, so we'll let him go. And then we're gonna try to get another one. That's a nice one. Yep. Little stalker. All right, guys, there is my fish. Let me turn this way so you can see. Right, guys, there's a fish I just caught. He's a really nice trout. Super, super nice trout. Look at this. Check that out. Okay, give me your line. You need one more to go.
All right.
One more and he's got his limit. Yes, it's very warm. 66 degrees. Got one? Oh, nice. Wow, good. I think this is your limit because you released one that was too small. Oh, okay, put it back down. That's how it is. Go ahead and bring it back up until you see your weight, and then set back 25. Yeah, 25. Holy smoke. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one, guys. Yep. Oh, there's a school here, man. Holy smokes, buddy.
You gotta follow it.
You might get one. Oh, yeah.
Don't lose it.
Try not to. You got a hit? Oh, I lost it. Yeah, I let the line come kind of too slack. Try to keep attention on it. It was that weight. Man, that was a school too. Oh, there's a big school here, buddy. Holy smokes. I'm not kidding. There's a school here. We are gonna have to swing back around this way.
Got one.
Got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Nice. Nice. Well, I lost one and Kevin got one. Man, the bite today's vigorous. It's awesome. Get it, buddy. Get it. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Good job. If I can land him. Come this way, come this way, come this way. Come this way more. Yes, got it. Yep, this is a keeper. So you got your limit. You can stop fishing, I guess. Okay, buddy, come on. Okay, hold on, buddy. So, that's a nice one. That's a good one. Perfect size for the frying pan, I always say. All right, guys, there is Kevin's last fish right there. Pretty awesome trout. And I'm still working on my limit. Kevin's got his limit. Let's count it. Let's see how many we got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we got 8, buddy. So I need 2 more to get my limit. Still pretty early too, huh? So it's only 8 o'clock and we need 2 more to get our limit. Okay, well, since I got a 2 rod validation, I can use 2 rod to try and get my limit. So let me see.
Good luck.
Yep. Maybe one more, we can just go.
Okay.
Ooh, there's a bite. There's a bite. Okay, there we go. So I got 2 rods out now. I'm trying to get my last 2 fish. Ooh, there's one. Right there. Right there, guys. Yep. This is the spot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. Here we go, guys. This is my 4th fish, if I can land him. That's a good tug. That's a good tug. Yeah, that's a good one. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll take it. Yeah. Oh, don't. Stay down, stay down. Oh. There we go. There we go. We got it. Number 4, guys. Okay. Well, I guess after they stock it, man, they will just hit anything. Apex kokanee killer. And so far, it works really well. We can't see it because of the sunlight. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, there's. Okay, hold on. Put this in the bag. So this is. Here we go. Hopefully this is number 5. Got my limit. Oh, that fights hard. This guy's fighting hard. There we go. Still got him. Oh, look at that. Look at that tug, man. What a whopper. Look at that tug. Yep. That's a good one. Not bad. Oh, can't net it. Can't net it. There we go. Number 5. Number 5. There we go, guys. All right, guys. This is number 5 for me. All right, guys. There we go. That is my limit. That's fish number 5 for me, and Kevin got 5. It's about 8:15 right now. So let's go cook these trout. All right, guys. So let me show you what I am using. Okay, so there we go. There's our setup. We just have a Dodger and Brad's cut plug. This is for the kokanee one. It's a 2-inch and two hooks and power bait honey worm. Okay, and I got a lot of scent on here. I have anise and garlic plus. So I just lather it up. Don't be shy. So that's for one rod. The other rod, very similar setup. A Dodger as well, and about 12 inches leader, and the Apex Kokanee Killer. Okay, 2 hooks. That's it. Really simple. And again, I always scent it. Garlic plus and anise plus. Okay. This Dodger is called the Simon Big Dog. It's a it had a treble hook on here. It's for a salmon fishing. I just took off the treble hook. Okay, guys, so we are done fishing, and we got the fish marinated right here. We scored it, and the marinade's really simple. It's just soy sauce, Maggi seasoning, and 1 chili in there. Okay, you like it spicy, right? Yeah, he loves it spicy, and so do I. And we have a little bit of broccoli here. Got to have the veggies, and then have some corn right here. And we also cooked some rice and some barbecue chicken right here. So the chicken's gonna be really good. My favorite recipe is just the Chinese barbecue sauce. No, not barbecue sauce. Chinese barbecue spice, and then just Maggi seasoning. That's it. It's very simple. Everything's cooking. We're just waiting until the food is done, and then we'll chow down. And that can be okay. That is looking good.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? Let's go another about 3 minutes. Let's go 3 minutes, and then we'll turn that off, and then we'll do the fish and the broccoli.
Cool. Chicken looks good.
Chicken looks good. Oh, man. Chicken. Oh, man, oh, man. Does that look yummy or what, guys? Telling you guys, it's gonna be good catch and cook. We got chicken, barbecue chicken, delicious, yummy. Heck yeah. So we're gonna put the corn on a plate first, and then we are going to keep it in a truck.
Okay.
And we'll keep it in there while we cook the rest of it, because I don't want anything to drop onto the food. Okay. We'll get the plate in a second here.
Sure.
Okay, so the rice is cooking in there. The rice is done. Pretty soon we're gonna eat the wing as an appetizer. Oh, I should have brought butter. You ever had butter with corn?
No.
Oh man. Oh, so good. So there's some rice on here, but it's not a big deal. Okay.
That's fine.
We're gonna sample these 2 wings.
Okay.
This is still going. But first, We can turn this off for now. I'll
Yeah.
cook that later. We're gonna taste test one wing. Tiny, tiny wing. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna taste test this one tiny wing, tiny chicken wing. Oh man, I was like, my mouth was so watery. That's okay. I got another. Yeah, try it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, I dropped mine.
That is so good.
Even though it's on a table, I don't trust it. It could be, see, there's ants crawling around right there.
Yeah.
So, you like it?
That's so good.
And there it is. We got a winner. You got a winner. Okay, I'm gonna have the drumstick here soon. These chicken look so good, guys. They look so good. I'm not kidding. Let's put it right there. How are you doing, Pan? Finish? You like it?
That was good.
That's good, huh? Awesome. Awesome. That's good. So we got another one coming up here, buddy. Don't keep your plate. Keep your plate. Okay, I'm not gonna drop mine this time. I'm going for it. There you go. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, I got my moment.
Oh, it's hot.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Telling you guys. Chicken's really good. Or stupid me forgot to bring the extra spatula, so we got some paprika. We're gonna do some garlic powder.
Cool. Ooh, I smell it.
Smell it? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
More oil. Black pepper. Salt. Spatula. Whoa. That was close. Freaking acorns dropping from the sky. So we are done, folks. Let's put everything together and let's eat. Let's do it. Ah, we are ready. Here we go. Mom.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's good.
Wow.
I'll try the trout. Trout's good.
Oh, it's so sweet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Some people don't like the skin on a trout, but I love it. man. That was a fun day of fishing, huh, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
Now we got good food. It's got a whiter meat.
Yeah.
I guess apparently it's just recently stocked and it's a fresh stock trout. I think when they've been in the water longer, their meat turns to like reddish pink.
Yeah. It's kinda good.
Mm-hmm. Now trout, perfectly seasoned too. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Can't get enough of this trout, guys. This trout is so good. It's just Maggi seasoning is all you need. I'm not kidding. It's all you need. What you do is you marinate you clean your trout, put it in a Ziploc bag, and make sure you score it, and then just pour in the Maggi seasoning. And just leave it overnight. That's the key. You gotta leave it overnight. Man, that chicken is all so good. Now, what a beautiful day. What do you think, buddy? You had a fun day fishing?
Really fun day.
Yeah, pretty awesome. Catching trout. Cooking it, eating it, outdoor. The tail's really good.
Really?
Yeah. The tail end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Told you it's good. I'm liking this chicken a lot. This is just a game hen.
Really?
Yeah, it's a smaller chicken.
Oh.
So on the bottom of the pan, when the rice is burned, it's like that. In Cambodian, it's called bai kadang. And you can eat it. But you better have good teeth. You can't break your jaw.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh my goodness, that corn is so sweet.
I know.
Holy moly. This corn is so good. Holy smokes.
So I finished it. It's so good.
Wow, so good. Super sweet.
Yeah.
This is from Winco. Gonna have to buy more, man. This is so
A lot
sweet.
more, yeah.
Well, we come to the end of the show, guys. So that's about it. Hey, had a great time, buddy.
Yeah, really good.
Hope you enjoyed it. So I will see you guys next time. And you guys have fun fishing. Stay safe. Tight lines.